Here it is, the 1982 C30 I picked up for 500 bucks. The flatbed's ratchet strap to it. This thing I don't think has ever been washed. This is after a wash. That hood is not reflective like that. The mirrors are falling off. There's moss everywhere. Flatbed's ratchet strapped on. Axle seal's leaking right there. This thing's in pretty rough condition. Look at all that moss. Ugh, dirty. The inside is also a mess. There's a hole in the floorboard right there. That seat's torn to shit. The dash is cracked. It is filthy in here. I don't think it's ever been cleaned. Got a lot of work to do on this thing. Look at that. It's a good looking truck though. Just a little rough looking right now. There's that ratchet strap. Every time I would hit a bump driving it home, the back tires would hit on the flatbed. Here it is, new mufflers on it. The old ones were pretty much clogged up, falling apart inside. So yeah, I will videoing on the progress of this thing. Thanks for watching.